Good day, grade fours. Today we will be doing maths. Our topic is buying and selling. When we buy, we all know that we use what? Money. These are notes we are having in the kingdom of Eswatini. We have this 200 Emalangeni note. And this is 100 Emalangeni note. And this is 50 Emalangeni note. This is 20 Emalangeni note. And lastly, we have this 10 Emalangeni note. Okay, the major objective of this topic is to know how to calculate or how to count money. If you go to buy, you must always know what the change will be. For example, if your parent sends you to go buy a loaf of bread, which costs 10 Emalangeni, they give you 50 Emalangeni to go buy that loaf of bread. What you've got to know as a grade 4 child, you must know that when I buy this loaf of bread, this 50 Emalangeni is more than the 10 Emalangeni which the bread is costing. So I have to subtract the 10 Emalangeni from the 50 Emalangeni. Okay, what I also want us to note here, this is how we write money. If we want to write 50 Emalangeni, we always write 50 Emalangeni like this. These 00, they always represent cents. So now, because we want to subtract 10 Emalangeni, which is the loaf of bread we are buying, from the 50, we'll also write 10 Emalangeni underneath. The 0 must be straight to the 0 as we're doing with ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. And this comma must also be opposite the comma. They must be in the same line. Okay, let us calculate this. Because we want to subtract 10 Emalangeni from 50 Emalangeni, we will put our subtraction sign and we start subtracting. 0 minus 0, it is 0. 0 minus 0, it is 0. 0 minus 0, it is 0. Remember, we put back the comma. It must be always in the straight line. Then 5 minus 1, it is 4. I also put back the E, which represents that my change will be 40 Emalangeni if I buy the loaf of bread. So with this topic, I want you to take all notes, Try to play with the notes. Play with your partner there at home. Try to sell him or her something and then change for him or her. Ask your parents to borrow you their notes as I have my notes. Then you will play a game of buying and selling. One must be a shopkeeper and one must come buy. And I want to see how you'll be able to follow how you're changing the money. I'll be giving you an exercise shortly. Thank you so much, grade 4s.